Where to find call barring on your Poco X or X6 Pro and even the late Poco X7 phone model. This is with Android 15 HyperOS 2. For the most part, if you have a Poco X6 phone, it's most likely the global model, which will also be using the default Google Dialer app. So if you're using this Google Dialer app, which I would recommend on your Poco phone, once you have it enabled and set with your SIM, go into it and you will see this three dots right up here at the top right. So tap on it one time, you'll see settings, tap on that. And from within the settings of your phone dialer itself, you want to go to where it says calling accounts, this one right here. Now, as you enter into the calling account settings here, you'll see these different options. You'll also see where call forwarding and waiting is if you've been looking for those two. But if you go down a little bit more, you'll see advanced settings to the bottom right here. Now, once you're here in this section here, you'll see these different options and go down to where it says other, and that's where you're gonna find it. Now for me, I don't have a function in SIM card, but if your SIM card is working and synced, you'll be able to access these settings in which you can still see from here that you can choose what the call barring can do for you for the outgoing calls, international calls, and this is basically going to help with blocking some calls for you that you don't really need to deal with, if you know what I mean, okay? But that's basically it for this guide, so that's where you would go to find it, and if it did help you in some way, like and sub.